Yes, hello. Hello, guys. Am I audible? Nani or Ramya? Audible. Fine. Fine. Let's move. So we study about the bar chart. How to create a bar chart by the help of Matplot library in the Python. Okay. So now let's move for the next. And we have. Okay. So we did this bar chart. After bar chart, we have a histogram. How to create a histogram chart? So import matplot.py plot as a PLT, and we have a data of the student marks, like marks is equal to list of marks 45, 55, 65, 75, and so on till 80. So create a histogram plt.hist. This is for histogram. Hist marks bin 5, color orange, and edge color is black. Fine. Then plt x level mark range, in x-axis mark range. plt y level means y-axis number of the student, and title of the chart is distribution of student marks, and then show the plot plt.show. That's all. Okay. So once we run, it will take some time and generate the graph. Yes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a 5. We wrote here bin is 5. So it's created 5. Color is orange. So orange color. Then we have edge color black. So edge color is black. After that, marks range in a x-axis. Here marks range, and then number of student y-axis. Here number of students. So this way we create a histogram. Okay, if I change this, let's suppose I make this 8 and orange convert into red. Edge color should be blue. Then run. Maybe we have to close the old one. Yes, see. So we change the color, the border color, and number of this bin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided into 8 part. Okay, so this way we can create a histogram. If you guys want to try, you can try. So I'm pasting the code. If you want to try, you can try it. Please try it, man, and let me know if you have got the graph. Write down if you get the answer. Done. Very nice. chart. So import matplot, same way import the matplot library as a PLT. Label is like product A, product B, product C and product D. Okay. Sales is 250, 150, 100 and 200. So create pie chart, plot pie, sales level is equal to level, auto packed 1% like this and straight angle is 90. Okay. Add title. So sales distribution by the product. This is the title of graph. Plot axis equal. Show plot. It will show the plot. So we get some error. Let's solve this error. So it's saying typo error. Pi got an expected keywords argument auto spied. Did you mean auto packed? Auto packed. Auto packed. Okay. Auto packed. Yes. So we get a graph and here it's distributed the cells over the product and the sales. So product A covered 250 which is maximum. So this is the product A. Where is the product A? This one. Then product B 250, product B. So product C and product D. So bigger one is A and smaller one is C. Okay. So this way we can create a pie chart. Fine. Then we have a scatter plot. Okay. So import matplot.py plot as a PLT. X-axis data is 5, 7, 8, 7, 6, 9, 5 like this. And y-axis have a data like 99, 86, 87, 100, okay, and so on. So create a scatter plot, plt.scatter, we have to give the graph name, x comma y, color is blue, mark from 0, start origin is 0, s equal to 100, alpha is 0.7. So plot x level, that is x-axis, y level, y-axis. PLT title is simple scatter plot graph. Then grid, yes, I want grid, so plot.grid is true. Display plot is plt.show. If you write plt.show, it will show the graph. Okay, so we created a scatter plot according to the data. So in x-axis we have a 5, 7, 8 like this value. X-axis 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, and in y-axis 99, 86, 87. Okay, 99, 86, 100 like that. So maximum value is 100, which is here, and maybe 103. One of the biggest values 103, which is showing here. So this way it can distribute it, scattered. Okay, please try this scatter plot. Okay, Daniel, sorry, Nanny. Sure. So this way we can create a scatter plot. See here. Huh. See how the graph is scattered. See. So x-axis value is distributed like 5, 7, 8, 9, like this. Okay. So here 5, it's divided automatically. It's divided into according to value. Python divided this value automatically. So 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5 like that till 9 because maximum value is the 9. Then in y-axis it's a value of 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 till 100. Then so if I ask 5 and 99, so it will go to the 5 and then 99. So this is the first one. After that 7 and 86. So go to the 7 and 86. This one. All right. Okay. So this way, yeah, this is scattered. Fine. Which one? 10 and 10. Same value. Okay. Let's suppose it's a 50 and here again 50. Then okay. 10. Yes. So let's delete one and yeah, I got. I just remove one of the value here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Nanny. Okay. Now let's plot the graph. So automatically this value becomes 0. Y axis becomes 0. Here it's through the error. It's through the error. So fine, fine. So x and y must be the same size here. Then it will be 1. Done. Hello. Hope you clear. After that box plot. So have you guys know about this box plot? Any idea? You have seen this graph somewhere? Ramya, you have seen this graph? Box plot? Do you know about the share market? You guys, have you heard about the share market? So under that, if you see the graph that is candlestick, you will see this box plot. Yeah, candles. See, like this. Let me show you. Okay, see this. These are the box plots. Here, see, candlestick. Okay, so here we can get a box plot. Okay, let's create this box plot. Here, import matplot.py plt as a plot as a plt. Then data is 7856 like that. This is one of the data, 1 day data like this. Create a box plot, plt box plot data, label and title, plot x level data set, y level value. Title is simple box plot example. Grid, yes, I want grid, and display the chart. See this. So it's created like this. 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. This is according to this data. And in x-axis, it's a data set 1. Y-axis value. This is the value, and this is the title of the graph. So this way we can analyze the box plot. Okay. Ah, see, according to this value, it's measure 7, 8, 5, 6, 9, 12, 15, 14. Okay, so maximum value is 15. So till 15 it will go. Okay, and then it will create a box plot graph. Okay, according to the data it's created. If you want some more example, let's go. Let's find some more example. Give me here. This created a simple box plot showing minimum 25%, median 75%, maximum. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's create this graph. Okay, so here its minimum is 25%, 25% here, this area, and maximum is 75%, this area, 75% here, and median, minimum, median, and the max. Box plot with a multiple data set. If we see data 1, data 2, data 3, and then if you try to create a graph, then we can maybe visualize this data. Now it's created 3 graphs according to these 3 values. Data 1 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 15, 25, 45 and 55, 5, 15, 25 and 35, like that. So multiple box plot, and this is the description of the graph we will get. Data 1, data 2, data 3, like this. Now here we can compare. So useful when comparing the multiple categories. So if I see this is 30 and this is above that. So 30 is the medium, then 35 here, after that 25 here. Okay. So this will show the middle value, then maximum value 50, 50 here, and minimum is the 10. So 10 to 50, and this is the middle value, like that. And we can compare the 3 data set. Basically, this candlestick, hello, see, basically candlestick is read by the, yeah, who is working in the share market. Okay, so they compare the values and they can analyze the data. They predict the graphs, movement of the graphs in the next day. Okay, so we can generate the graph, but if we want to learn this graph, we have to learn about something about the share market. Then we can easily understand that candle chart. Okay, hello, hello, yes. Okay, this is basically used to read the data of share markets. Okay, now saving the charts, we already know how to save the chart. In both Matplot and Seaborn, we can save the chart file like PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG, etc. using the same underlying Matplot function. Okay, we can save whatever the plot we created here, which is whenever we run the code and it's developed, we can save into the any of the format like PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG, etc. Any of format we can save. Okay, now see here, import Seaborn. Now the example on Seaborn as SNS, import Matplot. Both the library we can use together now. Seaborn and Matplot. So import Seaborn as SNS, import matplot.py plot as a PLT, import pandas. So 3 libraries: Seaborn, Matplot, and pandas. Okay. So we are using pandas. That's why data frame df equal to pd.data frame x is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y is to 10, 20, 25, 30, plot, line plot, okay, and then plt dot title, Seaborn example, save the chart. Here we can save the chart, and Seaborn underscore chart into PNG, this format, and this is the DPI, okay. and show the plot. It will show the chart as well as save the chart. Fine. How to save the chart? If we write this code plt.savefig seaborn underscore chart dot png, this is the name of chart. If you want to change, we can change it. Then it will save into our folder. Let's do it here. Hold on. So no such chart is here. Once you run this code, it will save here. Create the graph and save the graph. Okay, so it's saved the graph. Let's go to the folder. What is the name of program files? Seaborn underscore chart. It's not saved here. Maybe it's still working. Run again. Wait for some time. Meanwhile, you guys can also try this code into your system. Please try this code and let me know if this generated in your system, because in my system it's taking time. Yeah, it's created. So by the help of Seaborn, we created a chart and we have a data like this. So x for x-axis 1 2 3 4 and y-axis 10 20 25 30. So it's a simple line graph: 1 1.5 2 2.5 3 3.5 in a x-axis, and 10 12.5 15 17.5 like that in the y-axis. And according to this value 1 2 3 4 10 20, it's created a graph. Okay, so like 1 and 10, so 1 is here and 10 is here, so it start from here. Then 2 20, go for 2 here and 20 20 here, so second point. Similarly 3 and 25, so 3 is here and 25 is here. So this way it can create the graph. Just join the points and it's saved in our folder. Let's go and check. Here it's saved. So let me close first this code. Okay, now open here. Okay, so it's saved here, PNG format. Now you can zoom it, zoom out. See, or maybe print out, delete, anything, other options. So we can analyze the graph. Okay, then after that, tip for saving. Have you got this plot in your system, guys? Hello. Okay. Saved in the folder. Okay. Fine. Fine. So tip for saving. So DPI 300 means high resolution. Okay. So here we use DPI for 300 for high resolution. Good for print. If you want to take print out, saved at least 300 DPI. Then B box inches tight. Here B box dot inches tight. Trim extra white space around the chart. That's why we use like this. Then change file extension. If we here we are using uh, .png. If you want into JPG, that is also fine. If you want into PDF, we can give here PDF or SVG, anyone. Then save before plot.show. Before plot.show, we can save it. So otherwise, the figure might be reset. About the grid in Matplot and Seaborn, grid help make chart easier to read by showing horizontal and vertical reference lines. So we can add grid. So we add in so many charts grid here again. Now let's see. So here import matplot.py as PLT in x-axis. This is the 1 2 3 4 y value. In y-axis 10 20 25 30. plt.plot x comma y marks as 0. Add grid. So plot grid is true. So it will create a grid here. Then plt.title. This is the title of graph. Matplot with grid. X level and Y level. Okay, and then show the graph. So we are going to create a graph where grid is activated. See, so we created a grid. Now customize the grid. How to customize the grid? So plot.grid, if you want colorful grid, write color dot red. Style, if you want dotted or dash, give like this. If we line thickness, we can increase or decrease thickness. Transparency, alpha equal to 0.7 or whatever the value we set, it will give this way. So let's copy this part. If I paste here grid, fine. Now so color is red, line style dotted, width is 0.7 and alpha is 0.7. See, red color, dotted line, grid, and thickness is 0.7. If you want to increase, decrease, or dashed line in different way, we can use. If you want to change the color, you can change it. So whatever you want, you can do with this dotted line. Okay, guys, understand about the grid, how to change the grid style. Hello, got it? Okay, fine. Let's fine. Then you can also control which axis show the grid. If you want only x-axis, we can do like this. PLT grid x-axis. That's all. It will only show the x-axis grid. If you want only y-axis, PLT grid y. So it will show you the y-axis. How? Just do like this. Go to here. Let's change only x-axis. So grid in y-axis is gone. Only x-axis show the grid. So this way we can control the grid, change the color, all the width and dashes like that. Then subplot. Subplot let you display multiple charts in one figure. That is combo chart. We have seen into the Power BI. See how many charts they are combining. First subplot is plot, means line chart. That is line chart. Then bar chart. So there is combining two charts. So hope you guys have remembered combo chart in the Power BI. Combination of two or more chart. Okay. Okay. And Nanny, what's your idea? Hello, Nanny. Nanny is not there. Hello. Okay, no problem. Yeah, no problem. Fine, fine. So we are studying about the combination of two or more chart. So here we can create two charts at a time. How to create it? Import matplot.pyplt as a plot. So x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y1 equal to 10, 20, 25, 30. Y2 equal to 5, 15, 20, and 25. Create figure and subplot. One row, two column. So fig ax equal to plot subplot 1 comma 2 comma fig size 10 comma 4. So first subplot is ax 0 dot plot x comma y1 marks 0, ax 0 dot set title line chart, ax 0 dot grid is true. So we are going to create a grid also. Second subplot is ax1 bar x comma y2, ax1 dot set title bar chart, and grid, yes, I want grid, true. Now plot tight layout, adjust spacing and show the plot. So it will create two charts. See, so a line chart and a bar chart. So we can compare the data by using these two charts, line charts and bar chart. Okay, if you want to try this chart, please try it. Please try it and let me know if working properly. Once done, let me know, guys. Done. So shall we move, guys? Ramya, move. Okay, done. Move. Fine, fine. Then subplot with the seaborn. Here we created subborn by the help of matplot. Now by the help of seaborn. Same way, import seaborn as SNS, import pandas as PD, and import matplot .py plot.plt. Sample data is data frame x is to 1, 2, 3, 4, y1 is to 10, 25, same way, same data. And then fig comma ax plot dot subplot. So here this graph I didn't write any code. I just created this code by the help of ChatGPT. Even you guys can also use ChatGPT to create the codes. No need to write manually. Just you can edit the data if you need it. Okay, you can change the data according to your need. Yes, so they will allow you. They will not tell you to anything like write it manually. These days, people are asking for uh, Python with AI, because if you are study sit there and write such a big code, it will take lots of time, and at the end you will get a line chart, simple line chart, which is what is the use of that? Yes, yes, yes. We have to know the concept, and we have to use this. How to we can use for this? Yeah, 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 exactly. But if you want to mug up all the basic things, you can do it from your side, your end. But I don't think so. Anybody can tell you to write manual coding. Okay, so even I cannot write manually these things. Okay, but I know the concept. I will use it whenever it's required in my day-to-day work. Okay, so this way we can create a plot. So fig x ax equal to plot dot subplot 1 comma 2 comma fig 10 comma 4, first subplot line chart. Okay, sns dot line plot data equal to df x equal to x comma y equal to y1 ax equal to x0, ax0 dot set title line chart and grid true. Yes, I want grid. Then second plot is bar plot sn s dot bar plot data equal to df x equal to x comma y equal to y2 x equal to x1, and then bar chart is the title, grid is true, and show the graph. Okay, same graph by the help of Seaborn. Okay, the line graph and the bar chart. Okay, same data, everything is same, but only by the help of Seaborn. Here, after that, heat map. This is one of the best graph. So heat map with the Seaborn correlation matrix example. So let's see. Import Seaborn as SN, import pandas as PD, import matplot.py plot as a PLT. Sample data is df equal to pd dot data frame. A is to 1 2 3 4, B is to 4 3 2 1, and C is to 10 20 25 30. Okay, so these are the data set. Then compute correlation matrix. So core equal to df dot core, create a heat map, sns dot heat map, core a naught equal to true, C map equal to cool warm, and line width is 0.5. PLT title is correlation heat map and plot.show. So this is a heat map. Okay, and here cool area and slowly it's warm and the heated area. All right. So we have a data like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 10, 20, 30 like this. See this? If I change the data, if I make this 40, 25, 20, 100, 10. Again run the code. Let me check the changes in the graph. Okay, again it's created a graph. Again cool to the hot area, and the value changes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0.9876. A, B, C. Okay, A is this area, A, B, and C. 1, A, 4. Hold on, man. So there is no description about this. Let me try to get some idea about this, how to read this data. So it shows the relation between variable. Value range from minus to positive. Okay. So plus perfect positive correlation, 0 no correction, minus perfect negative correlation. So here data is like this. Then correlation matrix, what your code produce, A1 minus 1, and like this. So A1, B minus 1, and C 0.98. A versus B, minus 1 perfect negative correlation. As A increases, B decreases. See? Okay, as A increases, B decreases. Fine. And then opposite movement, A versus C. So A increases, C also increases. A increases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C also increases. Okay. So almost perfect upward relationship. And B versus C. So as B increases, C decreases. Strong inverse relationship. So understanding color map equal to cool warm. So red positive correlation, and blue negative correlation, and white light and neutral weak or no correlation. So basically this graph shows you the correlation between the values. Okay, because whenever see our data, so as if we correlate B and A, so it's a reverse correlation, because when A data increases, B data decreases, and A increases, C increases. So there is correlation, positive correlation, and A and B negative correlation, and B and C it's a negative correlation, because B decreases, A increases. So according to that, they create a graph. This is the correlation values. Okay, so final interpretation, simple word: A and C move together, A and B move opposite. A here red, blue, red, again red, blue, red, and this is opposite, blue, red, blue. Okay. So a heat map show correlation strength between variable. Value close to +1 indicate a strong positive correlation, while value near -1 indicate a strong negative correlation. In this data, A and C are strongly positive correlation, while A and B are negatively correlation. Okay. So this relation show that this is their movement is same and C movement is same, and B movement is opposite to A and C. Hello, hello. So that is the heat map. Okay, it will create a correlation. Okay, if you want to try this map, you can try, or if you want to stop the class, we can stop. Tell me, guys. Okay, and so this is the last module of this Python course. Tomorrow we can start MySQL. Okay, okay, Ramya. So I'm going to share you how to install the MySQL. Okay, notes, and you guys install it, and then we can practice this tomorrow. Fine. Also, I'm going. Yeah. Okay, I will mark the attendance. Yeah, yeah. Why not? Why not? I will share it. At the end, we will connect in the mock interview and the resume preparation class also. Okay. In that class, I will share all the questions, related questions. Done. Okay. Okay. Fine. So please install the MySQL tomorrow, and we can practice it tomorrow. Okay. Then. Good night. Bye bye. Bye bye.